Looking to upgrade your home? Knowing which contractors to hire for your renovation can save you a ton of stress and money. Alright, so first off, you definitely want to start with a general contractor if your project is pretty big. They basically manage the whole thing and make sure all the other pros show up on time and do their job right. Then, for anything electrical, like rewiring or adding new lights, you need a licensed electrician. Don't even try to mess with that yourself, it can get dangerous. Plumbing is another biggie, so a plumber is a must if you're changing pipes, installing new sinks, or fixing leaks. Carpentry comes in when you want new cabinets, trim, or any woodwork that makes your place look sharp. Painting is more than just slapping some color on walls. A painter preps surfaces and gives your home that fresh, polished look. Also, don't forget about specialized contractors like HVAC techs if you're upgrading heating or cooling systems. When you're picking contractors, always check reviews and ask for references because you want someone reliable and skilled, not a headache. Lastly, clear communication about your budget and timeline right from the start helps keep everything on track without surprises. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hiring contractors for home renovations is not verifying licenses and insurance, which can lead to legal headaches or shoddy work. Always double-check credentials before signing anything. Another common issue is poor communication. If you're not clear about what you want or your budget, it's easy for projects to go off the rails. Make sure you're both on the same page from day one. The third frequent problem is rushing to hire the cheapest option. Saving a few bucks up front might actually cost way more later when work needs fixing. Invest in quality to avoid those costly redo jobs. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, making your renovation way less stressful. Plus, it helps contractors find legit work without all the hassle of marketing themselves on their own.